The Trump administration has proposed making a more than $100,000 fee for new H-1B visas permanent.
This move could sharply drive up hiring costs for U.S. companies and hit Indian professionals the hardest. The U.S. Department of Homeland Security has proposed a fee of $103,265 for new H-1B visas. The move builds on Trump's earlier push to impose a $100,000 charge on these professional visas that was blocked by the courts.
In another move, the Trump administration is prepared to revoke business and tourism visas for up to 200,000 foreigners who have sought asylum. The U.S. officials say it could become the largest mass visa revocation in American history. Now, the administration is also planning new fees targeting the F-1 Optional Practical Training, or OPT, program.
The H-1B program allows the U.S. employers to hire foreign workers in specialized fields, including technology, engineering, education, and research. U.S. currently caps H-1B visas at $65,000 a year, with an additional $20,000 reserved for workers with advanced degrees. Indians account for the overwhelming majority of such workers.
Well, more than 200,000 people had applied for the visa in fiscal year 2026. Indians dominated the applications, making up 71% of all H-1B approvals. Chinese nationals come second at nearly 12%. India and China together account for over 80% of all H-1B approvals. No other country except Canada reaches even 2% individually. The new fee would not apply to H-1B visas granted to foreign nationals already in the U.S. on student visas. It would also not apply to renewals of existing H-1B visas.
Well, before Trump's earlier push to raise the cost, H-1B fees typically ranged between $2,000 and $5,000. The proposed rule will now go through a 30-day public comment period, and the administration could finalize the rule by the end of the year. But the proposal is also likely to face fresh legal challenges. Critics warn that sharply higher H-1B costs could make it harder for U.S. companies to fill critical staffing gaps, particularly in IT, engineering, education, and medicine.